Welcome to Vodago Systems, a channel dedicated for the latest digital signage solutions. In today's video, we're going to talk about 5 advantages of LED displays, 3 case studies on before and after LED displays are installed, and a deep dive into Isetan pillar LED installation. There are 5 advantages of using LED displays. First, LEDs enhance the visibility and attention with their brightness and dynamic visuals to reach a wider audience. Secondly, customized content can be updated immediately. Thirdly, LEDs consume less power compared to LCD displays. Fourth reason is that LED require less maintenance over time and last longer. Finally, LED is more versatile and can fit various spaces and design like curved and different shapes. First case study is OSIM retail outlet at Mid Valley. Before renovation, the corner consists of a printed poster. The new design involves a curved LED display that is so attention-grabbing. You can see the big difference it makes to the overall branding and interior ambience. The second project is Jingxing Paper Mill Reception Area. We install LEDs that serve as a digital backdrop for various function and information board for internal communications. Third case study is Isetan Retail at The Garden. This project would turn the existing level 3 male garment department to Japanese restaurant area. As you can see from the photos taken before the renovation and after, LED displays are installed at the pillar, which has a more vibrant and attractive ambience. There are 3 challenges when installing pillar LED for Isetan. First, 4 different content has to sync across 4 pillars. Second, each video has its own audio playback at each pillar. Third, the content need to be rotated from one pillar to another. How do we solve this? Before we go into the step-by-step, let me introduce some of the LED accessories including power module, receiving card, data cable, and LED module. There are 4 steps to LED setup: mounting of bracket, installing accessories, cabling work, and lastly content setup in media players. Mounting of bracket need to be precise to avoid any misalignment of module during setup later. This include welding works. Next, we install all the LED accessories and ensure the connectors are configured and interact correctly. All cables are routed back to an equipment rack. LED display will connect to video processor and speakers to amplifiers. We use HMP 350 digital signage player and Elementi software for content playback. How the content work? Elementi software will split the video wall template into 4-column A, B, C, D, each representing the LED pillar with 4 different seasons. Pillar A will start with spring B as summer, C as autumn and D as winter. After 15 seconds, the content will shift from one pillar to another in synchronized manner and it continue with the same pattern every 15 seconds. In addition, the music will follow alongside the video. This create an interesting content that create a unique ambience for Isetan The Garden. Finally, we made it at the end. Let's enjoy the fruit of our labor. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more content.